So, what happened was there was a tiny bird's nest on the top of one of the porch columns, and I was told there are something like house finches, but anyway, I found the nest laying on the porch with 3 of the birds already dead yesterday. And we put the nest back on the top of the column and put the one baby bird that was surviving back in and watched since yesterday evening, and the mama bird never came back. So we brought the baby in, and I have been breaking up cat food and soaking it in water, and it is grain-free type of high-quality cat food. And this is little baby. He's sleeping at the moment. And there's no wildlife rescue within a couple of hours drive. I did a lot of searching online yesterday and this morning and making phone calls, and the closest one is well over 2 hours away. So I am trying to help this little guy, and he would certainly die outside. They only live about 24 hours without food, and about 24 hours passed by, and I had given him a little tiny dropper of some water and sugar that I saw suggested online. And then today I see that people have rescued them using cat food. And so I'm giving that a try. And he has eaten pretty well, and he doesn't seem injured, and he has taken a few bites each time I've tried. And it was recommended that you use toothpicks, but I can't seem to get them to pick up the food very well, and he is so tiny. And over here I have a little thing that you heat up in the microwave, and I heated that up, and I'll put that under him. I had it under him earlier, and I put it in a Ziploc bag to help it not get anything on it. And he does have a little bit of food under him, and I'm going to be cleaning that up later. So let's try to feed our little baby. When I wake him up, he usually sticks his mouth in the air. See? Here you go. Wait a second. Takes him a second to wake up. Oops. Here you go. He actually hasn't been very long. Ate a little bit. So I was trying to see if he's interested again. He probably needs a little bit of time to wake up. Unless he's already had enough. kind of hard to, it's kind of mushy, so it's hard to pick it up with the tweezers. Here we go. Oop. Like I was saying, it's kind of hard, and it have to make it pretty mushy so that it's not hard for him to get it down his throat. We may have to try again in a little while because he ate pretty good a little while ago. He did better when I took one hand and tapped him, and he would open his mouth and I could get it in. We'll try again later.